Southampton County in northeastern North Carolina.
These are just popping up left and right.
Northeastern North Carolina. Northwestern Gates County in northeastern North Carolina. Southeastern Greensville County in southeastern Virginia. The city of Franklin in southeastern Virginia.
Oh, sick.
Southampton County in southeastern Virginia. Southwestern Isle of Wight County in southeastern Virginia. The southwestern city of Suffolk in southeastern Virginia until 9:15 p.m. At 8:24 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Emporia to near Farmville, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Severe thunderstorms will be near Garyford, Dahlia, Seaboard, Green Plain, and Claresville around 8:30 p.m. Rich Square around 8:45 p.m. Boykins, Conway, Woodland, and Rock Sobel around 8:50 p.m. Lewiston Woodville around 8:55 p.m. Murfreesboro, Allender, Trelawney University, and Newsrooms around 9 p.m. Cortland around 9:05 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Eagletown, Vicksville, Milwaukee, Tunis, Ponds, Kelford, Earleys, Manola, Trelawn Beach, and Topsy. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using X at NWS Wakefield, VA.